Two altcoins for today. It's a WorldCoin and the Eigen layer. Why did I choose these two? One, because alerts. Finally, guys, after the 3 or the 5 months for both of these coins, take profit lines is triggered. That's the beauty of indicator that you don't need to sit in front of charts all the time. You just add alerts and track, because with that indicators, you will be one step ahead of others. And take a look, the alert for take profit line on the daily time frame on WorldCoin we added in February 12th, 2026, and it's triggered May 26 today, 2026. And take profit line, same story on Eigen layer daily time frame we added in that video in December 17, 2025, even the last year, and triggered yesterday. So yesterday's trigger. That's why, guys, I recommend you use this set and you will be one step ahead of other traders. So for WorldCoin, guys, like you remember, we still not invalidated initiation accumulation pump model. Before, like you remember, I draw all lines manually. And if you didn't know how to work with the initiation accumulation pump model, I highly recommend you go and check free tutorial. But now you don't need to add all of this, lines manually, because you can just turn on the initiation accumulation pump model indicator and you will see all zones, guys. And invalidation level is 15 cents. Once again, the rhetoric question, is it possible to drop on the 15 cents and invalidate the idea? Of course, guys, it's possible, because absolutely everything is possible in crypto, but we work with the zones. So until we not invalidate this idea, all levels and the zones absolutely relevant. So this is going to be the resistance 43 15 58.04. Next one is 91.82, $1.15.55, and this one 252 270. I would be not surprised if maybe even this year we're gonna reach 252 and it's gonna be the top. Time will show us from the low. It could be around 1000% gains, guys. So it's more than good gains, and maybe we're gonna finish the rights here. So if you believe in new all-time high or the high price targets, you can wait that targets. We will see. But now the first troubled area is here. Of course, if we drop under 15 cents, maybe I will try to open some futures trade, because now I don't see any setup. I try to open the trades when I see that setup, to not gamble randomly. Let's double check the smart money concept indicator, also zones. What is good, what is bad? So here above this one, it's like a main daily favorable gap. It's around, of course, like psychological level $1. Locally, we broke the structure up. So it was a break of structure. We broke it. So it's good. Weekly, more important. On the weekly, guys, and still we like in the downtrend structure. So it was a both break of structure. So the most positive case scenario, guys, for us, if we will see, of course, the BTC dominance on the, on a 55% or at least 50%, and the altcoins perform this summer, it's going to be like similar to the DeFi summer 2017. Maybe the summer will show us the $1.10, $1.02, $1.10, $1.19. So this is it. But now on the weekly time frame, it's still on the water. Take profit, guys, here. When you see on this chart, what will happen next. The test of fundamental value below on the weekly time frame. So let's add alerts. Here, not that one. Take profits, fundamental price line, this one. So believe it or not, but soon we will test the fundamental value line. But I recommend you to add alert to the lines, not to some specific price, because the lines are dynamic, guys. Like you can see here, we tested the take profit line. Next one, it's on the daily time frame, going to be 44.69 exit line and fundamental value line below. Yes, and after that, take profit line on the weekly time frame. Now it's $1.47, but after the few weeks or the months, I guess it's going to be $1.20. That's why, guys, add alerts and wait. All other indicators, to not make the video like half hour about the two tokens, you can double check by yourself. All zones I showed you, add alerts and track it. Eigen layer, guys, invalidate idea. invalidate this, not idea, invalidate the model, initiation accumulation pump model, because we dump on the listing price. So the lowest listing price was in September 24 on Binance at 30 cents, and we dump it much lower, even to 1480 cents. And what does it mean? It means the previous support blocks now will be like resistance. We can hide all of these blocks, go to the daily time frame, and track it. Now you can be sure. Firstly, we're gonna retest the invalidation level below 30 cents, and after that, we need to take a look more about the BTC dominance, the seasonality, because we can form something even like this one, like a Stark net. Yes. So just in case, guys, be ready. 30 cents, like resistance. And after that, we need to find some support. All right. If we broke this line, retest, this is a zone for the next one, like resistance, 81.98, $1.09. All zones, guys, you knew it before. And once again, I hope, guys, you watch it. That video about the Eigen layer, what I posted in October 2024, and the mark all levels. So no makes sense was buy, for example, here. Here was a logical entry till penny we tested 0.5 level by FIP rebound. You could even fix here. Of course, not at the top, because, guys, just to be honest, nobody, only the market makers could sell it here. Retailers, we can't know where the price will stop, but we work with the zones. Here was a good entry. Here's a zone of fixation. Take profit 118%. At least you could withdraw initial deposit here. After that, we dump here, consolidate, not hold the line, drop it again, consolidate, drop it, bounce it, till penny rejected 0.5. Not all coins, guys, move like this one. So accurate till penny, but some of them, yes. I guess it just depends of the market maker who stay behind, and some inside centralized exchanges deal. So the zones, mark the zones and wait. Also on the daily time frame, take profit, bam, magic. This is just a magic. Take profit line, tested yesterday. The next step is going to be the exit line is 28.10.15. Buy line again, test 12.49. That's why, guys, I would be not surprised if we're going to see something like this one even this summer, if we're going to see the red summer. So just in case, weekly time frame, we can hide the initiation accumulation pump model. Unfortunately, still no data for take profit indicator, not enough data for algorithm to count. Right, so I would like to show it in the money power and trade on what is good, what is bad. Here, the good example on the Eigen layer, all this period, you could just skip this coin and start accumulate only here since November 2025. When we finally see on a weekly time frame the money inflow on a weekly. All that time period, it was just a noise, distribution, and here, even in September 2025, it was a money outflow from the whales. Here's a money out inflow, step by step. I would be not surprised if we go a little bit higher and could see, once again, money outflow and the drop this summer. After that, of course, the autumn, I guess we will see the continuation upside move. Trade on, what we can see here. It was a buy, take profit, sell, buy back, now nothing. Daily time frame, some whales take a profit here today. So just in case, guys, you can use that indicators, and combine them. Depends of your trading strategy. It's not a magic. It's just a tool, but it's giving more additional data, to work with, and definitely you one step forward from other retails. So for now, let's add alert to take profit. Not take not take profit. Yes, let's add alert to another sell. Another sell. Maybe we will see. And after that, we need to add the take profit from the sales and wait the signal to buy. Weekly time frame, no signals, guys. So like conclusion, targets, next resistance. I showed you zones for the summer, Eigen layer and the WorldCoin. I showed you. I recommend you add the same alerts and wait the entry. If some coin not showed the alerts, not dump to your zone of interest, just skip this coin. Don't fall in FOMO. Don't fall in greed, or fear. Just cut all emotion and trust the algorithm. If you would like to trade with this custom liquidity set what showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.